So we start with 100 rabbits, and 1 year later we have 140 rabbits. So if I start making a little table where I have n and p sub n for the year, p sub n for the population of rabbits. In year 0, the initial time, I have 100 rabbits. Year 1, I have 140 rabbits. Okay, so now I want to figure out an equation for Pn, and eventually I want to figure out what P10 is. So I want 2, 3, 4. If I can get a few more years, maybe I can see the pattern. So part A tells me to assume that the population is growing according to a linear model. And a linear model is when you are always adding the same amount to get from year to year. So to get from 100 to 140, I add 40. So to get to the next year, I'm going to add 40 again. And I get 180. And I keep adding 40, and I get 220, 260. And I can keep doing this till I get P10. Or I could try to figure out what P10 is just by thinking about the pattern. All right, so if I want an equation, I would say, well, P sub n starts with 100 rabbits and then adds 40 rabbits every year for n years. So I would do 100 plus 40n. Start with 100 rabbits and add 40 multiple times. And repeatedly adding 40 is multiplication. That's why I do 40 times n. So there's my answer to part A. And then for part B, I want P10. And now that I have a formula, I can just replace the n with the number 10. And I end up with P10 is 500 rabbits.